Music streaming service Spotify is in the midst of an ongoing battle with other services such as Apple Music and Tidal. Now, add some of its users to that list. They've taken to social media to criticize Spotify's recently updated privacy policy. The company is now asking users for permission to collect their contacts, location data, and photos. Once users agree to the new terms, Spotify and its business partners will get the right to provide advertising, the company says. That's not going over too well with longtime Spotify users like Minecraft video game creator Markus Persson. The billionaire attacked the policy in a volley of tweets at Spotify founder Daniel Ek. Feature creep for privacy invasion, Mr. Persson, who has 2.4 million Twitter followers, said Friday. I want none of those features. I want to stream music. The question now is whether the new policy will be enough to cause Spotify to lose a significant number of users. On Twitter, some say they've canceled already, while others have defended the Swedish company. Yeah, I love Spotify, but I think I'm going to delete it too, tweets Michael Arrington. And this user, Tiny Baby, says, if you click a button that says add a picture to this playlist and Spotify says I need to access your photos, you won't bat an eye. The new policy is a sign that Spotify could be gearing up to blend advertising and subscription models. That's a shift for Spotify, which in the past has promised its 20 million paying users an ad-free experience in exchange for the monthly fee of $10. With competition heating up, streaming services are trying everything to compete more aggressively, from streaming free concerts to having artists curate their own playlists. And Spotify doesn't appear to be backing away from the new policy. Spotify's Ek responded to Persson's frustrated tweet. Have you read our blog, Ek tweeted? We explicitly ask when using a camera or GPS. Spotify also released a statement saying it hears users' concerns loud and clear. We should have done a better job in communicating what these policies mean and how any information you choose to share will and will not be used. The company says users will still have control over how their photos are used. That, for example, includes creating personalized cover art for a playlist or to change a profile image. But that wasn't enough for Persson, who says he's already canceled his subscription.